Yeah, hi, my name's Reverend Andy Broadbent. I'm the curate here in Broadwayland Ministry area. The Faith Live project was, it came about because of basically a church growth fund grant. We identified as a church that we just weren't really connecting with any of the young people in our villages. It's a small sort of coastal, rural parish, and we just weren't seeing anyone basically of school age or younger. So we came up with the idea of Faith Alive, which is a livelier service than our normal service. It's only got one Bible reading, one simple message. It's got crafts, it's got music that's a bit more accessible. So the idea was it would be something that's fun and inviting and inclusive.
My Faith Alive are amazing.
It gives so much support. A lot of people that may not feel as comfortable with a traditional church service. This opens the doors for anybody to come, any age.
Introducing modern music to a community that is traditionally quite a traditional service, and I think it's a really good way of incorporating everybody, including my children, into the service, which is brilliant. They really enjoy it.
So we also, under the Faith Alive banner, started a new kids club, which is outside of the normal service, but runs alongside it in the community centre, where we do Bible stories, we do crafts, we have a picnic, we have games, and we just have a really good, fun time. And we use that as a stepping stone, really, for families to come in, learn a little bit about the Bible, a little bit about who Jesus is, and then we have something we can invite them to, which is the Faith Alive service.
And it's brought families in here that we didn't have before, so it's a real blessing.